What's up, everyone? Nate from Brooklyn Music Factory. Super psyched that you're going to be joining us in online private lessons or online classes. So we've been so hard at work creating tons of cool materials for you. Games, exercises, songwriting seeds, everything that we do at BMF, we're bringing to you at home online. So just like any Brooklyn Music Factory lesson, it's going to be super fun, it's going to be engaging, there's going to be tons of songwriting, and there's going to be tons of collaboration. Every single step, we're just going to be getting as creative as possible. So check out my home studio here. I mean, like, this is where I'm teaching from. I got African drums, I got my piano, I got multiple cameras, I even got a dope microphone. The sound is great, the experience is super fun. Can't wait to see you for an online lesson.